Comrade Matthew George, our beloved leader, General Secretary of the Federal Bank Employees Union, Deputy General Secretary of the All Kerala Bank Employees Federation, and my beloved colleague in the Central Committee of the AIBA, is retiring from the bank, Federal Bank, after 40 years of service. Right from the beginning, he has been very active in trade union, and in the last 2 decades, he has been in the forefront of the Federal Bank Employees Union. Now he is the General Secretary, leading the union very effectively, very successfully. One thing very unique that I found in Comrade Matthew George is his sense of intolerance to any injustice, discrimination, something wrong to any employee. This is very important for any union functionary, and that was in abundance in him. I wish him a very happy retired life, but a continued successful, meaningful contribution to the society, trade and movement, and to the people at large. I wish Comrade Matthew George all the best. Thank you.
Yes, a true fighter with no fear of defeat, an uncompromised leader, standing firm on securing the rights of the workers, upholding the dignity of the trade union at all levels, a leader who believes in struggles and consistent struggles, always clear and confident in dealing with the management, a leader who maintained continuous contacts with the comrades at all levels, a leader who maintained simple lifestyle in conversation with the members, always available and credible in solving the issues of the members. Matthew George is really a great leader of the AIBA movement. My best wishes for continued public spirited actions in the coming period also.
Matthew George'ന് a big salute. നമുക്കറിയാം Federal Bank Employees Union is the most militant trade union of AIBA. And Matthew George, with his clear understanding, true trade union perspective, and that fighting militant character, he led this great Federal Bank Employees Union and AIBA to greater heights. He is Deputy General Secretary of All Kerala Bank Employees Federation, Central Committee member of AIBA and the Private Sector Union Cell, the National Joint Convener, and very effective trade union leader. And when he retired from Federal Bank, we salute you, dear Matthew George. Continue to guide us, lead us, and inspire us. Thank you.
Comrade Matthew was hardly 22 years old when he was posted to Guwahati, and while leading an agitation there in Northeast region, he moved to Dimapur for organizational work, where he got arrested at the instigation of the management. And in protest of it, there was massive outrage in Kolkata branches, and management declared lockout. However, after this incident, he never looked behind and moved forward with courage and conviction and became the leader of bank employees in the state of, especially in Kerala. I wish him all the best on his superannuation.
Dear comrades, experiences in life mold a person, and our General Secretary, Comrade Matthew George, has had enough experiences which have strengthened his convictions. His dedication and commitment to the cause of the working class are unparalleled. I have been fortunate to have worked with him in close association for 3 decades. I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude to him for the unstinted support and guidance extended to me. On the eve of his retirement from the bank, I wish Comrade Matthew George and his family all the best. Thank you.
Man of 35 years, long years in the association with the Federal Bank Employees Union, and today you could see that Matthew George, the present General Secretary, is getting superannuated tomorrow on 30th April. It's a great occasion of superannuation. He is only superannuating from the bank, not from the Federal Bank Employees Union, nor from the bank employees movement. That is the spirit of Comrade Matthew George, as I understand him. This much I can tell you, I'm closely associated with the early stages of entering into greater movement of the Federal Bank Employees Union. I was only the witness and done things at the field level. So I got the authority to say, authenticity to say what has happened. As we all know, the sun rises from the east. Matthew George emerged from the east, that is state of Nagaland and Guwahati, east of India. That changed the very pattern and the image of the Federal Bank Employees Union. And this great comrade who visited as executive committee member from Guwahati to Nagaland, not knowing the conditions there, under special acts of the Nagaland state, he was arrested and jailed. Immediately, the whole Calcutta unit got engulfed into big fire, a wildfire. All the 9 branches stopped functioning at the initiative taken by me and the Federal Bank team of Kolkata. It was in flames. That much I can say. Unable to manage matters, management was become berserk and declared a lockout. First time in the banking industry, India witnessed it in the banking industry, that in Federal Bank, a private management has went berserk and made a lockout. And boldly, Federal Bank Employees Union has replied. That is Federal Bank Employees Union.
Comrade Matthew George, a committed, very active, energetic General Secretary of Federal Bank Employees Union, is going to retire in this coming month. He has developed many young comrades as per the tradition of Federal Bank Employees Union, and they are going to be the assets of our union. And at this time, I wish Comrade Matthew George a very peaceful, purposeful, healthy, retired life, and regards to his family also. Thank you, comrades.
He is joining in the services of Federal Bank in 1980 at Guwahati, Assam. He has been extending his services for the development of the bank. His role as a leader of the trade union movement complemented his contributions towards the institution. Various achievements were made for the employees under his leadership through the settlements signed with the management. Agitations were conducted for achievement of charter of demands and against the onslaughts of the bank management. Comrade Matthew George is retiring from his official life, but not from the organization front. He will surely continue to be productive and vibrant. I wish Comrade Matthew George and his family a healthy, peaceful and joyous life. Thank you.
A true leader don't create followers. They create more leaders. It is absolutely true for Comrade Matthew George. With his abundance of experience and wisdom, he groomed and equipped a bunch of leaders who can stand with their head high, fight for the rights with confidence and conviction. So, on this day, we can assure you, comrade, our legacy will continue. Best wishes and revolutionary greetings to you, comrade.